everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. And your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It's the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're new right on over here, you know it's a special welcome to you. And thank you so much for making it West Indian Delight. Hey, I don't know whether they're from way back, but you don't know the normal drill, you know, manners and respect again. And I just want to take this opportunity right now to big up my boy Triple LLLs TV, manners and respect, madam. Yeah? I saw you highlighting my channel at the end of your last video. Big up yourself, you and the family, I'm sorry. And y'all, I want you to go check out his channel. He's a young Jamaican guy, and he's there and he's doing his thing. Go right on over there and show him some principled and decent love, okay y'all? I don't know what's in me in the comment section, I'm gonna go over there, eh? Manners and respect. Triple LLLs, big up yourself. We're gonna leave the link to his channel in the description of this video. Now today, we are on to something, I don't know, nothing special, it's just a regular thing, you know. We're gonna do a little midweek medley thing. You see what I'm saying? Every day rice and peas, stewed chicken, brown stewed chicken, fried chicken. And now, we're gonna go a little bit different today. We are gonna take a tin of mackerel and put it to a different level. Let me take a tin mackerel off of the chart. We're gonna put it back on the channel. On the chart, I'm sorry. So today we're gonna do for you some tin mackerel and pasta. So you're gonna get yourself a tin of jack mackerel specifically. Well, I think it's best to use the one in the tomato sauce. I would think so. We're using some, hello please, camera girl, she has got to pronounce this word. Tell them the type of pasta we're using, camera girl.
It's penne pasta.
Talk it loud, make them hear.
Penne pasta.
Penne pasta, or what have you.
Penne.
You can use bow tie, whatever pasta of choice. But we're using this one today. You can use spaghetti, whatever. So we are going to be doing a tin mackerel and pasta medley. Okay? So what you want to do first, you want to have your water and cook to your instructions. Cook to the instructions on your pasta. Each one have a different cooking instruction. So what we want to do now, we have our water there being eaten, and I did salt my water ahead of time. So you want to put like about a little less than a tablespoon of oil in there. That is to help the pasta from sticking together, like it cooks free. So I have my kettle here boiling as usual. Doesn't matter what. Once we eat the kitchen and say we are cook, kettle here boil. You all know that. My water is bubbling, hot boiling water for the pasta. I might not use all, because you know when it cooks, it doubles up. I might just use all, because it's not a lot. It seems a lot, but it's not. So use your pasta of choice. So we're going to leave our pasta on the medium. We don't run the pasta cooking too much of a hurry. So we're going to leave it on the medium heat to cook with a little oil, just to get it all cooked free. So we're going to go now, chop off all our little veggies. We're going to use some tomatoes and onion. We're going to use a little green bell pepper. We're going to use a few sprigs of scallion, and we're going to be needing a few pegs of garlic. We are going to need with tin mackerel, of course. We're going to use a little worcestershire. We're going to use a little celery powder. And we have a splash of white cooking wine leaf. We want to put it in there. Maybe we want to do something else. We're not sure. So we're going to go now, get our veggies all chopped off. When we return, pasta should be cooked. And we are going to show you how we are going to do that little something. Start with a little tin mackerel and pasta medley. Alright, family. We have our pasta. It is all been cooked and drained, and it's there. Try not to overcook your pasta. It is the most terrible thing. It tastes so bad. Anybody who have ever tasted overcooked pasta, any one of you, tell me. Please comment. Have you ever tasted overcooked pasta? It is the worst thing. Try to follow the instructions on the back, the cooking instructions. So we have some oil here now, and we have our 3 sprigs of scallion. We cut them up fine, because you know we have a burn. The scallion in the oil. We have got right here some green bell peppers, and we're going to put it in right now. We're going to get our flame up to about medium. It wasn't on medium. I've got to go gentle with this spoon because not supposed to use this spoon in this pot, but who cares? So we're going to swirl around our thing in there a little bit and get a little make it get a little all thing. So we're going to come back when it gets a little mushy to how we want it. I'll return and show you. Okay, swirl around and the oil got flavored, and we're putting in some, that is like about a cup of chopped tomato, but we leave for you, and we're going to upper flame a little bit. Now we have got some onions right over there, so we're going to put it in, some chopped onions as well, with our flame up on medium. And we are going to put in 2 slices of the good old Scotch bonnet. We're using mackerel. Okay, so put to your liking. Okay, put to who you're feeding. If you're feeding small children, you know you can't put too much, and mine one is rude. Simple means, when I say rude, simply means that the flavor, when I cut it, the flavor here is up. Put it up a little bit. We're going to let it stay there. To this we're going to add a splash or 2 of worcestershire. And family, we're going to add another little splash, which is the last of the white cooking wine. Family camera girl, she has to correct the pronunciation of the pasta. So camera girl, go right ahead.
So the actual pronunciation is Penne Pasta.
Okay, hello, please. Right back over here, y'all. We have a little cumin powder. If we had celery, I'm sorry. If you have fresh celery, put a few, in there. It's, so we don't have any fresh celery. So we're using a little of this celery powder. This is a tin mackerel and pasta medley. We want it to have some nice taste. Hello, please. How they do? Hello. We're putting in a little Cajun seasoning. Slap your mama. Auntie Linda, big up yourself. Coming all the way from Texas to your girl Debbie down here. Big up Lens. We're going to put a little of this Cajun, and it says, let me read for you. I don't know, I'm not even the things that were not natural, It says here, the ingredients in there is, where is it now? I want to see. It says, the ingredients are salt, red pepper, black pepper, and garlic. No MSG, all natural. I don't know what's a natural thing, but it's fun. So we're going to put in a little of this Cajun seasoning. Just a little bit, not a lot, and it's lovely, y'all. Okay? And we are going to stir. Stirring, we're going to put about 2 of the spoon of boiled or hot water on it. Now that we have put it in there, we're going to up our flame a bit. Now we're going to cover to get this thing coming together. We're going to leave it there for about 5 minutes. We want the tomato then to cook and come down jelly. When we return, so look at this. This looks so nice. This looks like you could have just put the pasta in there and have it. In camera girl, it looks so good. Let's get our flame down a bit. So we're going to put about a half of a teaspoon or a little bit more than a half of a teaspoon of brown sugar in there. To get that nice little, you see what I'm saying? Because we're not using any ketchup. I hope the ketchup people them love this. Now right on over here, we have got our tin of jack mackerel. And we're gonna, some people might want to take out the little bones in there. If you want to, you go ahead. You're not bother with them, because the bones, that gone through a process and them soft. So you have your nice thick, and I told you, you get the one in the tomato sauce. So we're going to add in with tin mackerel right there. Looking so heatish. It looks so heatish. Some people might say, okay, I know if you don't eat tin mackerel, you might want to kick off. But maybe at the end of this, you might want to try tin mackerel if you even don't eat tin mackerel. Okay? Let us try to move these. We're going to need a little more water. Just like, and then we're going to turn our flame up a bit. I think that should be good. Right up. And at this point now, we want to put in some of our pasta. We might use all, we might not use all. So we're going to transfer some of our pasta in here. We might use all, we might not use all. And maybe I don't think we're going to use all. Okay? Now that you put in your pasta, you want to start from the bottom and over. You know the drill for this already. Okay? Now we have got here three pegs of garlic, and we're gonna put in this. You can't leave out this, you know. Or if you don't use like fresh garlic and you have garlic powder, you can use your garlic powder if you so desire. This is what is gonna bring out that nice flavor. Garlic with pasta, it's always nice, so you can't leave this out. So this is the last thing you put in, and you're gonna incorporate up everything. This is tin mackerel, y'all. We have taken it to another level. Okay, that's how we do it right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. Look at this loveliness. Camera girl, what do you think of this dish? Could you say something from behind the camera to the family?
Looks really good.
It's really good. Does it? You look like you eat. Are you gonna have some of this, camera girl?
I don't think so because of the pepper.
The pepper? You don't think? I didn't put a lot of pepper. It's not hot.
No.
Look at the beauty of this dish. You say I put too much pepper?
Well, because the Cajun seasoning has pepper and stuff, and then you put the scotch
Okay.
bonnet pepper.
Oh man, I think it's good, man. You can't have it, man. Look at it, y'all. This is so beautiful. This is so lovely. So what we are gonna do now, let us taste if we need anything else in this little thing. We want to taste if we need a little extra salt, which I don't think, but let us taste. It's really hot. Now we don't need anything. We're gonna turn it down. Wow. Family, once you eat tin mackerel, you need to try this. We're going to turn it down to the very lowest that your stove can go. We have finished all what we have to do, and we're going to leave it on there with the cover on for about another 2 minutes to just get everything gelled. When we return, tin mackerel and the pasta medley will be plating. Okay, now family, we are ready to plate. And can I say something? Camera girl can't manage it for you. It's really spicy, but you know the tin mackerel, you have got to put a little spice. But you all, if you're doing it for the kids, wow, this is so lovely. So since camera girl can't eat it, look like me and dad alone are going to swap up this. Let's plate. So you make sure you get up some tin mackerel. Make sure you get up the tin mackerel. And make sure you get up the pasta. And make sure you get up every single thing. Get up a little of everything, all that nice goodiness. Who knew you could have taken tin mackerel to such a level? Oh yes, oh yes. Sure, we're not hide, we're not shame our tin mackerel, you know. We don't have much of a cleaning up. Okay, now this is it. This is the level. This is the level that we have taken a tin of jack mackerel to on the Jamaican cooking journey. Let me present to you, from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to wherever you are, it's tin mackerel and pasta medley. Please do enjoy. Now, remember to like, share, subscribe. When you do subscribe, remember to hit that notification bell. Remember to thumbs the videos up, man. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Thank you so much. And remember, when you hit the bell, you have to turn on your, when you subscribe, hit the bell, turn on your post notification. And the post notification shout out today goes to who, camera girl?
Karen Campbell.
Karen Campbell, big up yourself. I hope you're eating mackerel, you know. If you're eating mackerel, please make yourself some and send me some too. Okay, y'all? Once more, remember to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you to all of you who have been making donations to my channel, and those of you who'd so like to make a donation to my channel. Please and thank you. We've got a donation button there. You can go click it. It will lead you to where you can make your donation. Thank you so much. Once more, Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.